Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and pondered the vastness of the cosmos? It's a thought that has likely crossed your mind, stirring a profound sense of awe and intrigue. The universe, with its infinite expanse and age-old mysteries, is a testament to the marvels of existence. It's so vast and ancient that our minds can barely grasp its scale. Yet here we are, tiny specks in this unfathomable cosmos. Let's embark on a journey back in time to unravel the mysteries of the universe and our very existence. Our cosmic journey begins nearly 14 billion years ago at the dawn of time itself. At this point, all matter, energy, space, and even time were condensed into a single infinitesimal point, a singularity of unfathomable density and heat. This was the cradle of our universe, a state of intense compression and high energy that defies our current understanding of physics. Then, in an event of cataclysmic proportions, this singularity exploded. This is what we now call the Big Bang. But it wasn't an explosion in the traditional sense. Instead, it was a rapid expansion and inflation of the fabric of the universe itself. It was a moment of creation, the birth of space and time. In the initial moments of this cosmic explosion, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles. It was so hot that particles of matter and antimatter were continuously being created and annihilated in a furious dance of creation and destruction. As the universe expanded, it cooled and the dance slowed. Matter began to win the battle, and the universe filled with a hot, dense plasma of particles. Over the course of hundreds of thousands of years, the universe continued to cool and expand. It was during this time that the first atoms started to form, predominantly hydrogen and helium. These atoms, drawn together by the inexorable pull of gravity, began to clump together, forming the first stars and galaxies. As the universe continued to expand and cool, more complex elements began to form in the hearts of these stars. These elements, forged in stellar furnaces and scattered throughout the universe in great starry explosions, would eventually become the building blocks of planets and indeed life itself. Our universe, once a simple singularity, had transformed into a complex, ever-changing tapestry of galaxies, stars, and planets. It was a cosmic ballet choreographed by the forces of nature and set to the music of time. From this fiery, chaotic beginning, the universe as we know it began to take shape. As the universe cooled and expanded, matter began to clump together, giving birth to the galaxies. Now imagine a cosmic ballet, with particles of matter pirouetting and spinning, drawn together by the invisible hands of gravity. It is in this grand dance of the cosmos that galaxies began to take shape. Picture a vast, expanding universe filled with clouds of gas and dust. These clouds, under the force of gravity, began to collapse inwards. As they did, they spun faster and faster, eventually flattening into a spinning disk. In the heart of this spinning disk, the densest region of the cloud, stars began to form. Born from the dust and gas, these stars were the first lights in the universe, their brilliance piercing the darkness of space. And so the galaxies, vast islands of stars, began to light up the universe. But let's not forget the role gravity played in this cosmic ballet. Gravity, the force that pulls matter together, was the choreographer of this dance. It is gravity that pulls gas and dust together to form stars. And it is gravity that keeps these stars in their cosmic orbits, preventing them from flying off into the void of space. As stars formed, they grouped together, held in place by their mutual gravitational pull. These groups of stars, swirling in their cosmic dance, formed the galaxies. Some galaxies are spirals, like our own Milky Way, with arms of stars spiraling out from a central bulge. Others are elliptical, their stars moving in random orbits, and still others are irregular, with no defined shape. And so, amidst this cosmic dance of creation, our own galaxy, the Milky Way, was born. Home to hundreds of billions of stars, it's just one of countless galaxies that populate our universe. Each galaxy is a testament to the power of gravity, the force that choreographed the cosmic ballet that gave birth to the galaxies. Amidst this cosmic dance of creation, our own galaxy, the Milky Way, was born. Within the swirling arms of the Milky Way, around 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was born. In the grand cosmic tapestry, our solar system is but a tiny glittering thread. But its birth was nothing short of extraordinary. It all began with a gargantuan molecular cloud, a colossal billowing mass of gas and dust. This cloud was immense, spanning many light years across. The ingredients of our solar system, hydrogen, helium, and traces of heavier elements, were nestled within this cloud, waiting to be awakened. Then, something remarkable happened. A nearby supernova explosion sent shockwaves rippling through space, jolting our molecular cloud. This violent disturbance triggered the cloud's collapse, and it began to shrink under its own gravitational pull. As it contracted, it spun faster and faster, flattening into a spinning disk of material with a dense, hot core at the center. This central core, heated to incredible temperatures by the pressure of its own gravity, ignited to become our sun, the heart of our nascent solar system. Meanwhile, the surrounding disk of material wasn't idle. Particles within it began to stick together, forming clumps that gradually grew into planetesimals, the seeds of future planets. Over millions of years, these planetesimals collided and coalesced, growing into the familiar planets we know today. Close to the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars formed from denser materials that could withstand the Sun's blazing heat. Further out, the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn and the ice giants Uranus and Neptune took shape from lighter elements. And so, amidst the vast cosmic ballet of the Milky Way, a new stellar family was born. From the fiery birth of the Sun to the formation of the planets, each step in this cosmic journey was crucial in creating the unique environment that would eventually harbor life. And so, in a quiet corner of the Milky Way, our solar system came into existence. This story of our solar system's birth is not just a tale of cosmic history, but also a testament to the incredible forces and processes that continue to shape the universe we inhabit. In the vast cosmic landscape, one planet stood out as unique, our Earth, teeming with life. Diving into the origins of life on Earth, we find ourselves journeying back billions of years to a time when the planet was just a barren rock. The first simple organisms, akin to modern-day bacteria, emerged around 3.5 billion years ago. These microscopic pioneers, known as prokaryotes, reigned supreme for over 1 billion years, basking in the warmth of a young sun. But life would not remain microscopic forever. Around 2 billion years ago, complex cells or eukaryotes came onto the scene. These were the ancestors of all plants, animals, and fungi we see today. From these humble beginnings, life began to diversify and complexify in remarkable ways. One of the most widely accepted theories about the origins of life is that it began in the oceans, with water serving as the cradle of life. This theory posits that the simple organic molecules necessary for life were synthesized in the oceans, catalyzed by the energy from sunlight or geothermal heat. But life on Earth didn't just emerge in a vacuum. It was also nurtured and protected by our planet's atmosphere. Our atmosphere acts like a giant shield, protecting life on Earth from harmful solar radiation, while also helping to regulate the planet's temperature, making it ripe for life. Throughout the eons, life has shown an incredible capacity for resilience and adaptability. From the deepest ocean trenches to the highest mountain peaks, from the freezing polar ice caps to the scorching desert sands, life has found a way to thrive in the most inhospitable of environments. In the grand scheme of the universe, life on Earth is but a fleeting moment, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. Yet, it is a moment that has forever changed the course of cosmic history, making Earth a uniquely vibrant jewel in the vast cosmic landscape. As we gaze upon the night sky, we are looking back in time, witnessing the history of the universe unfold before our eyes. What a journey we've embarked upon today, traversing the unfathomable depths of our universe. We've traveled from the very dawn of time, from that initial explosion of energy and matter we fondly call the Big Bang. This cosmic event set the stage for the universe as we know it, creating the building blocks of galaxies, stars, and ultimately, us. We've then voyaged through the formation of galaxies, those enormous cosmic communities that house billions of stars. We've seen how these structures, born from the chaos of the early universe, became the foundation for the creation of solar systems, including our own. Our journey then brought us closer to home, to the birth of our solar system. We've witnessed the creation of our sun, the planets, and other celestial bodies that share our corner of the cosmos. We've seen the interplay of cosmic forces that shaped our solar system into the familiar arrangement we recognize today. Finally, we've explored the emergence of life on Earth, the delicate process that led to the rich biodiversity we see today. Life as we know it is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature, thriving against all odds in the vast cosmic theater. The universe, with its vastness and complexity, is a reminder of our humble origins and our enduring quest for knowledge.